Kioxia. Introducing Kioxia's second-generation 24GS solid-state drive. Kioxia PM7 Series Enterprise 24GS built on Kioxia technology 5th-generation BiCS Flash TLC flash memory. Proprietary controller and firmware. Designed for modern enterprise infrastructure, enterprise-class feature set. Mixed and read intensive endurances. Dual port design for high availability applications. Capacities from 1600 GB to 30.72 TB. FIPS 143 validation is planned for the security module. CC and SED with FIPS 142 validated security module. Kioxia PM7 Series Enterprise 24 ASA solid-state drive. Delivering 24GS SSD performance for business-critical allocations. Kioxia.